Alright everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. Now in today's video I am gassed because today we're going to be installing an ITG induction kit from AET Motorsport on the Fiesta ST. This is good up to a stage 3, this induction kit. Now whether I got up to stage 3, I'm not 100% sure yet, but maybe it's in the plans. But before we get to installing it, we're going to go out for a little drive while it's stock to see, because I'm not 100% sure. I think the induction kit may increase throttle response slightly and overall just make the car sound a bit better when you let off the throttle, I think. I'm not 100% sure, but we're going to compare it anyway. So let's quickly hop in, go for a drive, and then when we get back, we'll start installing the induction kit. Okay, we're on the road and the car is warm, so let's go into second and see what it sounds like. Oh, I do love this car. Not really hearing much induction noise or anything like that. It's more just engine at the moment. I should point out as well, what I want to do in today's video also is, while we're under the engine bay, I want to take out the is it the insulation or the soundproofing that's under the bonnet. I think it increases the noises into the cabin, which is what I want. I want noise, so I think we're going to take that off as well. But let's open the window and see if we can hear better with the windows down. Right, listen to this. It is there. But yeah, let's stop driving now. Let's go back and let's install this kit. Okay, so we are now back from the drive, and the way this induction kit works is a bit different to normal, because usually they go from around here and go down here. That's the normal ones you see, but this one I've got actually starts from here and goes underneath the headlight. So we're gonna have to actually take out this headlight, and then it should tuck in nicely down there. Okay, I've moved the MAF sensor into the new ITG pipe, and yeah, so that is now all out, and now we're going to want to take out all this. Okay, this old pipe, I don't know what it's called, is now out, and that was the one that zigzagged through here. Now, with the RTD induction kit, what I actually didn't realise on buying this is that it goes from the bottom of this down to the headlight. So what I've done is actually bought a white silicone hose to go where this would usually be, to add, again, more white. If you didn't see last video, we added all this white around the engine bay. Now we're going to add even more with a white silicone hose. So let's put the silicone hose on first, I believe. Then we can put the ITG induction kit on. Here is the new white silicone hose. Now I know sometimes people have to cut these down, so I'm praying I don't have to do this. So this obviously goes on the engine bay, and oh, I'm gassed. More white. I love white on this car. I've already got the vacuum bit in there, so alright, now I think we are now ready to put the ITG induction kit in. Okay, so it's been about 30 minutes and I've been doing all the little fiddly bits, all the brackets and everything down here. If you guys want to know how to do this properly, I'll leave a link down below to the AET video that I'm watching while doing this. They do a really good video and it's made it quite easy to do. To give you a quick run through, I've basically rewired this so it's all attached up here, so it's out of the way. Put the bracket on down here, which will hold the filter, and now we have got the exciting bit, because we're now attaching the pipes down here. All right, everyone, we're getting proper close to doing this. We got to put this in here, so this goes in the gap. This is the first time we ever installed an induction kit on a car before. I've actually kind of enjoyed it, and I'm very excited to see how it sounds. Okay, nice. I think that's all on. That's on. Connect up the MAF sensor. That MAF sensor's on. Now I think we've got one more thing to do. All right, so they give you this like little bit here, and I'm pretty sure it goes round under there. Somehow you stretch it round, I think. Like that. Oh, yeah, I think it's all work. Is it all on? Is it all on? Is it all on? I think that's all on. All right, that cover's back on. I love that cover. It looks so good. With the white hose. Oh my God. All right, let's put the eye back in somehow. Oh, I think it's in. I think we're all 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 in. I think we're in, lads. And let's take a minute just to appreciate how good this looks. With the ITG, I know that's a good brand. That's a brand you want to have in your engine bay. The ITG hose down there, you can see the induction bit there, and then the white silicone hose to match all of this. Oh, the engine bay's glistening. Look at the hole in there now. Look at what came out. This is huge. Why is that so big? I'm gonna say that probably took me about an hour and a half to do, which is a long time. I always say this, right? If I can do it, I promise you, you can, because I'm so incompetent and I have no idea. I mean, I don't even know half of what this stuff's called. I don't know how to work around an engine. So if I can do it, I promise you, you can. You just need the right tools. What we got to do now is go for a drive and also give it a few revs to hear what it sounds like. I'm so gassed. All right, let me turn it on. We'll do a few revs. That sounds ridiculous. Oh my God, that has definitely made a difference. Now, one thing I've actually just remembered to do is I was gonna take this all off because it just blocks the sound going into the cabin. So I'm gonna take this off quickly and then we're gonna go for a drive. Oh, there we go. Look at that. All that sound deadening is now gonna be coming into the cabin. Nice. All right, everyone, the sound deadening's off. It's all installed. Let's go for a drive. Are you ready? Oh my God, that makes a huge difference. Oh my God, I've wanted this noise since the day I bought this car. Oh my God, the noises. Woo, what a machine. Oh, it sounds so good. Thank you so much to AET Motorsport for helping me out with this induction kit. And oh man, it is so good. If you guys need to get this on your car if you haven't already, I'll leave the link to the video on how to properly install it because I gave a very brief overview, but oh my God, that is ridiculous. All right, let me close the window. I want to see what the noise is like coming through the cabin now the sound deadening's gone. It might not be called that. It might be like a firewall or something. Oh my God, you can hear it so clearly in here. Like, bro. Oh, it's so sick. That sounds insane. I'm gonna do a POV drive as well, a proper POV drive, because we've got the short shifter in now. We've got the induction kit finally in, and the car is now ready for stage one. If we want to do stage one, which I want to do stage one. Oh, that sound. Oh, that sound. My car is a weapon. Even on the downshifts. Oh my God. My car is a machine. What's kind of nice, right? The fact I've still got the stock exhaust, it really means I can hear it clearly because I've not got a drone or a loud, you know, noise in the background. Oh my God, that's every time you let off. Man, this is a different machine now. This is a different machine, but I don't think I'm going to show you guys any more. I mean, you've seen quite a lot. You've seen how gassed this makes me, but I'm going to do a POV drive very soon. I've not really been paying attention, but has it made a difference to the throttle response? I'm not sure, really. I can't really tell the throttle because, I mean, it picks up well as it is. It might be slightly better, but overall, gassed. So gassed. Oh, what a machine this is. Thank you so much to AT for helping out with today's video. I massively appreciate it. Oh, traction. Oh, the gear changes are so good. It feels like I'm in Fast and Furious. You know when you're like, they're doing the gear changes, you get that tss, bro. Ah, what the hell? This car is sick. I've always wanted that noise since the day I bought this car, and I've now got it on levels. And yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. I've certainly enjoyed. You know, the process of installing it was actually kind of fun. I actually kind of enjoyed it. Thank you again to AT Motorsport. I'll leave all their links down below and also the video on how to put this in. Thank you guys for watching. Leave a like and subscribe on the video if you've enjoyed. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one.